Hi everyone, we've been learning Atari 6502 assembly language. I have the Altera emulator running here. It's emulating Atari 800 XL. And we've been learning assembly language for the last few videos. You can look those up if you'd like to learn those also. But we've gotten to the point where we can add two numbers together, so I'm really excited about that. And I would like to show you where we've gotten with that. So here goes us running the assembler, Max65 assembler. And that starts this up, and we can start typing in. The first few things we're going to send it are actually assembler directives. The first one is an option to load the code directly into memory after it's assembled it. This one is telling it where in memory we'd like to put it. So that's going into memory address, hexadecimal address 600. And now we're going to clear the binary mode flag because Atari has this weird thing called binary code decimal, and we don't want to use that for arithmetic. Now we're naming our subroutine, add numbers, it's like a function name, and clear the carry flag. Whenever you're doing arithmetic, you want to clear the carry flag. Notice that was a space earlier. Labels start one space after the line number. Now we're going to load the accumulator with the number 2. And now we are going to add with carry. So it takes whatever was loaded into the accumulator, the number 2, and adds it with this parameter, another number 2. So we're adding 2 plus 2. Now we're taking the result, which is stored in the accumulator, and storing that into memory address CB. You'll want to remember this because we're going to look at that with the debugger later. Now we're telling it return from subroutine, and now it's another assembler directive to end the program. Now I can assemble it typing ASM, and you can see it starts in address 600 and ends in 608. So now we can go back to DOS, all that's in memory, and I can start the debugger, which is called Bug65. And I love these sounds. We can look at memory address CB. You can see right after it is 00, so there's nothing there. Now I'm going to tell it to go ahead and execute our code. It starts in address 600 and ends in 608. It ran it, and after it's finished, it prints out everything that's in the registers. You can see in the accumulator there's a number 4. That's great, but we also want to see what is in memory address CB, and we also see the number 4. So it's perfect. It all worked. We're going to continue learning assembly language. Please check out the videos if you'd like to learn along. Thank you. Bye.